Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to another video. Today we're doing my makeup. It's pretty much the same makeup I do every single time you guys see my face, if I do it. I didn't do lashes this time. I'm not feeling the lash wave right now. It's just not my thing right now. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alrighty, so this is my base. This is my beautiful face. I have literally nothing on my face. I usually have one of my headbands on, but I can't find it. So we're gonna put her up. Now this makeup routine is, or the lack thereof, it's really basic, okay? I'm not a makeup queen yet. I know a little bit about nothing. My skin is pretty normal, I think. I don't get oily at all, but I'm not like very dry. So I would say I pretty much have normal skin. I don't really get breakouts as I see this big ginormous thing right there. I just have some texture right there, just for reference. So first thing I do is my eyebrows. Lately, I haven't been doing them. I really like the kind of natural, effortless look. So I'm just going to brush them straight up just to see what I'm working with, because they don't have a really defined shape, but that's okay. So now I'm gonna go in with my NYX, what is this, the brow glue. I don't know what I was about to say. And I'm just gonna brush this straight up. Do I care for this product? It's not bad. That's all I have to say. It's not like to die for, but don't get me wrong, I love some NYX. Like, I love NYX. I've been trying to switch to more like cruelty free, just kind of shop smarter. And so some of these brands are not that, but baby, I'm gonna use these of course first and then get into some new goodies. But this is what, when I get ready for my videos, this is the routine I do. So they don't really, that one kind of looks really good right now. Wow. They don't have to look like nothing crazy right now. So this is what I'm working with. So now I'm gonna take some of my Naya Vista brow pomade, and this is in the shade Ebony. I also really like the e.l.f. one. I think this is, oh, it says espresso. So I'm gonna take a brush like this. Can you guys see how thin that is? Yeah, I'm gonna take this little tiny brush and just kind of dip it in. And now I'm gonna fill in my favorite eyebrow first. Whatever eyebrow is looking the best that day is what I fill in first, and I try to make the other one look kind of similar. But honestly, after I'm done with my brow, it's not gonna look like I did anything. I don't have thin brows, but I don't have like thick brows. And I'm just taking some little strokes through the brow. Now there's that big thick dot right there. But it just kind of brings a little bit more definition. Honestly, like, that's the brow. Like, you can make it nice and slick if you want to. I used to have like a good balance between like Instagram brow and natural brow, but now I don't even bother. Like, I don't. Number one, because you can't see them, and I guess like it doesn't matter. I mean, like if you're doing a slick bun moment, but like with my hair, you can never see my eyebrows, like literally never. But eyebrows used to be my favorite part of my makeup. I used to only do my eyebrows and then just let go. It used to take me so long, but I'm kind of just like growing them out, see where they'll go. So I don't want to like manipulate them or do too much, as I've been doing my eyebrows for 5 minutes now. Okay, that's it. Just simple, plain. That's it. Literally nothing. Oh, I didn't tell you guys, my lips look so pink because I use the Winky Lux. It's literally not here right now. Wow, that's crazy. I can't believe I just did that. But I'll insert a picture right here. It's the Winky Lux. I got it from Target. Dang, like, I can't believe I don't have that here. I'll show you guys. Wow, like I literally just used it. I have the Winky Luxe, it's like their chapstick looking thing. I don't know what it is, but it matches the pH of your lips once you put it on. So that's why my lips look so pink. So now face. I don't wear foundation unless I'm feeling fancy. Like I want to try something. I've been playing with it, but I don't do it. So let me not act like I don't want to do too much because I'm trying to front for y'all, you know? So let me show you guys what I actually do every day. I usually don't wear concealer. I haven't worn concealer. I used to wear concealer under my eyebrows, and I like the shade Cream Caramel in the Sephora brand. I've really been liking the e.l.f. Camo Conceal, but I can't find my shade yet. But for video purposes, I like to just brighten under my under eye. Just a little bit. Like literally like a tad. I do want to mention, like, I'm still trying to find my perfect makeup look. Like, I haven't found, I'm going to go in with that concealer, like, on top of my eyes, too. I haven't found my perfect, like, look yet for my makeup. I can see it. Like, when other girls do it, I'm like, yeah, that's it. That's how I want to look. But I just haven't executed it yet. I just honestly have to take some time to play with it. When that school's over, maybe I'll take the time to do that. Boom. Okay, next, contour. What is this? This is the shade. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 60. It's like, can I see what it is? It could be darker, honestly. I'm a little chunky, so I like to make it look like I'm working with something. And I have been loving the nose contour that the girls have been doing on TikTok. I don't really know how to do it yet, but I tried. And I can't, hold on, let me focus. I can't do this video without mentioning my girl. My girl, Julie Donovan on YouTube. I watch her makeup videos to figure out how to do my makeup, like, literally. And I use pretty much all the same products. Well, she has a lot of products, but like most of my stuff, like I got from recommendations from her. If I didn't have it already, I've never been like a makeup girl ever. This is my first time like really trying to make something shake. And like you see me making a fool out of myself right now. Like if y'all, like look at that, that looks kind of dumb. Like I can see it, I don't know if it's me or what. Okay, I know they say to like blend this up so it doesn't look like muddy or something. And you know, I have all these brushes too. I just don't know which one. I don't know how. So I'm gonna get it together. And when I get it together, y'all will be the first to know. I'm gonna take a tiny brush. This is the Morphe M431 brush and just kind of blend this out right here. Okay, did that do something? I feel like I could be done right here. Let me stop playing. Now, depending on how red my cheeks are, because I really hate how red my cheeks are, I could cover that with some foundation. I use the shade Toffee in the Maybelline Dewy and Smooth Fit Me. Are they giving red? Do they look red to you? Wow, this camera makes me look like airbrushed or something. That's crazy. Actually, no, I think I look pretty regular. So I'm gonna skip foundation today. It really just depends on how my skin is feeling today. Is it feeling red? If it's not feeling red. Let me see what is next. So I have this Fit Me, what is this? Matte and Poreless powder. And I take it and kind of like do this to my nose. Oh wait. Oh, I can do this to my cheeks, can't I? Oh wow, that's perfect. Sorry guys, I'm like really figuring this out with you guys. That will cover up the little red tint coming from my cheeks. Wow, that actually did it. Okay. I'm going to go in now with my actual, this is the Airspun Loose Face Powder. I'm actually going to translucent but I accidentally got honey beige. And I'm not seeing a difference. I'll take a little bit of that on my brush and just kind of go where I put the contour. Why, oh, whoops. Why I do this? I don't know. Like this is, I'm literally just showing you guys what I do. I do hair, okay? I do hair. But I try to make it shape with my face. So I'm just gonna let that chill. So now, like, this is kind of like contradicting, but I don't like the red cheeks, okay? I hate that my cheeks are like really red. But baby, this blush is amazing. This is the Almost Famous. This is their Sweet Cheeks from NYX. Yeah, love it. Look at this shade. Look at this shade. And tip for my brown girls out there. Orange blush is your best friend. I had another one and it was just kind of ashy. It kind of reminded me of like what my actual cheeks look like. Yeah, oh. And I wasn't here for it. I wasn't here for it at all. Yeah, so that was dead. So if you're a brown girl, try some orange. Like an orange, what is this called? Blush. Like, wow. And honestly, you guys, you can really build this up. If you want more, use more. I know, like, because I'm such a light face, I don't pack it on too heavy or nothing crazy. But it's really buildable. Like, wow. It brings some color to my face. And then I'm gonna go in with this fat Wet n Wild brush and just kind of dust this off my nose. Look, what is this? I think it's a powder brush. I don't know. It says nothing on it. Do I look any different from when I first started? No, but it's okay. I think you guys need to see my hair so it brings dimension. Does it bring more dimension like YouTube? I don't know. But next. Honestly, this is it right here. So my last, honestly, I'm about to be done. Sorry, that was really loud. I'm gonna take this brush. I think I've already used it before. What is this? It's a Morphe JS12? I don't know. Girl, I be reusing it. I use like 5 brushes to do my makeup, okay? I have a whole bunch, but I use like 5. And I'm just gonna take this highlighter and go right there. This is the Maybelline, the Master Chrome Face Studio in gold. I think it's a molten gold, doesn't say. Yeah, molten gold is what it is. On the bridge of my nose. I'm not a highlighter queen, but this highlighter is amazing. I hate that Maybelline is not cruelty free because this is my favorite of all time. Now, I've been wearing eyelashes lately. It's like a phase I go through, but I'm not in the eyelash mood today. But if I were to do lashes, I like the ones that kind of are smaller in the inside and get longer, more like a cat eye. And I will, even if I don't, like I've been using the Miami ones more recently, the Lily Lashes Miami, and I'll cut them in half and put it like on the, cut it in half. So you want to cut the part that's closest to your eye, that would be close to your eye, you cut that part off. Just depending on your eye shape though, how much you cut off, but you cut that and just kind of glue it to the bottom, and it gives your eyes like it like heightens your face. Like, you know how like when I put the blush, it kind of lifts my face up, it gives you like that face lift effect. I'm gonna use some of this L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. This is honestly probably unnecessary, but I do it anyways. Okay, now that my eyelashes are white, I've been using my new favorite mascara, the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. Fun fact, I never buy mascara. I wait till my birthday every year to go to Ulta and Sephora and get the little birthday ones. And I got this one for my birthday this year, and yeah, this is amazing. Okay, so this is my first layer. I'm gonna let that dry a little bit, and we're gonna do lips. So I've been using this Wet n Wild. It's an eyeliner. It's honestly, it's dead end, like it's done. This is a new one I bought. What is it? The Wet n Wild in the shade brown. It says Simma Brown, but it's literally, it's brown. It's the shade, it's brown. So I'm just going to line my lips. Okay, lips are lined. And I'm a little much. I probably don't have to do these many steps, but I go through a lot of phases. I love these NYX Butter Gloss. I used to use just this in the shade Madeline with Praline and a little bit of honey right in the middle, all from the NYX Butter Gloss line. Amazing. I'm going for a more brown chocolatey look today. A little more of my skin complexion. So that's just the Madeline. Then I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Plumping Gloss. This is from their Mint Milk collection. It says mint chocolate. This is a plumping gloss, by the way, so it will give you those tingles. And then I'm going to top it off with this Fenty gloss in the shade Cake Shake. And last but not least, honestly one of my favorite steps, I have this ColourPop. I'm gonna spray some of my setting spray. This is the Morphe one. I love this setting spray. But I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Freckle Pen and just kind of enhance, like I have freckles. I don't know if you guys can see. You guys can't really see, but I'll insert a picture. You can really see them when I don't have makeup on, but when I do, sometimes they kind of get a little hidden. So I'm gonna add these on. So I'm going to do my hair, get all cute, and I'll be right back. This is my final look. It's really natural, really everyday, easy breezy. Like I can go to class like this, I can go to school like this. That's the same thing. Point is, I can go anywhere like this. This is my look. It still looks like my face, but I am kind of like experimenting with some new things. So hopefully we can try those sooner than later. I did want to mention when I got off camera, my lips looked like black. Like not my lips themselves, but around it. So I went in with some of my foundation I told you guys that fit me, the Dewy Smooth. I'm in the shade Toffee, the 330. And I took off like because of the pH balance lipstick, my lips were getting very pink and that's not the vibe I was going for. So I had to take that off, put the foundation around my lips where it was black, and then just go back in with the same lip combo that I did before. Just wanted to let you guys know. But this is it. This is the look. Let me know how you guys like it. Are you feeling it? This is my first time getting cute since finals, baby. I'm feeling it. I am loving every second of this. But thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys so very much. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Stay safe. Toodles.